Fuck. I thought I'm gonna win. I thought I'm gonna get time. For what was stop? Morning. Yeah.
2017.
The only one I have there. I forget everything at home. The new one I forget at home.
No 2017?
Oh, I forget at home.
Just wait here. Boss, wala sa 2017, 2016 na. Wala akong ano.
Huh?
Wala akong...
I forget at home the new one to photocopy. I register in December, but then I forget to photocopy and give the new one. This is the one from last year.
Forget.
Oh.
For sure, updated.
Yeah, I know. I forget at home to photocopy the new one and carry the new one. This is the old one. I make it in December, but I forget to carry it.
You have to always carry the one because...
Yeah, I understand. I just forget.
You just talk to our supervisor, sir. Okay?
Thank you.
That's our supervisor.
Look at my plate. You know, the funny thing is I get control. I didn't know actually you need to change it. I didn't think about that. But the funny thing, I get control in Las Penas twice. And they didn't bother me. You know, so I didn't know you need to change.
Sir?
Yeah.
I will...
How much is it?
Failure to carry your... Ano?
Huh?
Failure to carry your... Ano?
Yeah.
New registered, ha?
Mm. Will you give me a fine?
Oh.
How much is that?
1,000.
1,000? Seriously? Mm-hmm.
Next time, sir, ha? Don't forget.
Oh,
Your, ano?
of course. $1,000, fuck's sake. Expensive. Sorry. Where can I pay, Kuya?
This is 5 days
Where?
working
Okay.
days.
Where is it? Can I pay?
This the address.
In Taguig?
Taguig Justice Hall.
Just this all? Okay. When can I go? Tomorrow?
Yes.
Tomorrow.
Or this ticket valid as 5 days.
Okay. Tomorrow is fine. Is there?
After lunch.
After lunch tomorrow. Thank you. Ay, naku. Oh well, another day starting. I was actually planning to go on a straight and not cross by here to actually how do you call this? I passed by here to get some time basically. So CR guys, make sure you have your updated CR certificate of registration, otherwise you get 1,000 pesos fine. But I already get, yeah, as I said, I already get controlled 3 times already this year, and they never say anything, you know. And this one is from 2016. That's why when I bought the bike. I'm gonna go home, get a new CR, and then tomorrow I'll go to Justice Hall in Taguig. It's like half an hour ride from here, and I'm gonna pay my 1,000 pesos fine. That's it. What can you do? Nothing you can do. I'm in the wrong, so it's fine, you know. Just give me your 1,000 pesos fine. That's it. Oh, finally, man, I was boiling over there. Man, it's hot. So I've just been to Taguig City Hall to pay for the fine. So I went there, and the guys actually, well, yesterday the guy told me go after lunch tomorrow, after lunch. So now it's like 3:30 in the afternoon. I go there and he's like, your license is still in the City Hall, TMO City Hall in Taguig, which is not the same place. So I told him, so okay, can I go there, you know? Can I go to the City Hall? He said, no, it's getting registered now, and then they will send it to us tomorrow, or I don't know, tomorrow probably. But then he gave me the number of TMO over there to call them to make sure my license is there before I come. And yeah, so anyway, I asked how much it was. The guy said 1,000, and I show him the paper that I have online. I show him online that it's 150 if you don't carry it, and he was like, you can complain, you can file a complaint. I still need to pay for the 1,000 pesos fine first, and then I can file a complaint to the LTO, show them my ORCO, and then maybe something will happen. Honestly, I know 850 pesos would be better to have, but cannot waste my time anymore, you know. This is already 2 hours of my day today. I'm very tired, and yeah, I just fuck it, man. I'm not gonna file a complaint. I'm just gonna call tomorrow, make sure my license is there, then after go there, pay 1,000, and then that's it, finish. That was my OR actually, not my CR. That was my OR, the LTO paper basically. I think it's the OR. Anyway, so yeah, I photocopied the new one and I keep it with me now, so no more problem. Just listen, learn, you know what I mean? Just make sure you have the white paper always with you. Thanks for your comment though. The comment was very funny. When I asked on Facebook, why do you think I got 1,000 pesos fine, and some of you say coding or being poggy or come on guys, coding. That was funny. Some of you say no helmet, which I never done. Other than security, also how do you want me to vlog if I don't have any helmet? Yeah, running the red light, some of you suggest. No, I don't do that. I turn on the white when it's red. I turn on the white, which is basically legal in the Philippines to do that. And yeah, basically I was on that morning. I saw There's still 30 seconds to go for the green light. I just turn on the white to cut it off. Basically, if you turn on the white, you got a few streets to turn, then you get all the red light off. And if you go, I can go. And then yeah, actually it took me much longer. Actually, it didn't save any time, and it cost me 1,000 pesos. What is this? Paranaque what? Where do you think you're gonna go? Fuck, man. Oh my god, man. Fire. I'm gonna stay here, fuck it. Let's go. Fuck. Close, man. So yeah, just carry your paper, guys, and ride safe.
Many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back that will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my